So in this question, we have to actually find the value of tan inverse tan inverse cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. So as I told you that in tan inverse theta, this should be converted into tan. Only then this tan inverse will cancel with tan and we get the answer. So we have to make inside tan. So here we will try to convert into tan. How? Just see that first we will divide whenever you have cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. Just remember you have to divide by cos x. Means numerator you will divide by cos x. All terms are divided by cos x. Cos x upon cos x. Sin x is numerator is divided by cos x and denominator is also divided by cos x. So cos x upon cos x plus sin x upon cos x. Why we are dividing? Because it will convert into tan. Sin upon cos will become tan. This will become tan x and this will also become tan x. And these two will cancel. We get 1. So tan inverse, we can write tan inverse is equal to 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. 1 tan x. Okay. And this 1 minus tan x, 1 plus tan x. How it will be converted into 1 tan x? This 1, I'll do it here. 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. It can be written as 1 is the value of tan as at 45 degrees. So we can write instead of 1, we can write tan 45 degrees. So you will write here tan 45 degrees. Here you can write tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by, but this one you don't disturb this one. But with this tan x, actually this tan x can be written as 1 into tan x. 1 into tan x because we are converting into tan a minus b. Tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b. Tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. So here 1 is there. So we can write tan 45 degrees into tan x. So by doing it, we can write tan a minus b. You know that tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b, tan a minus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, so this can be converted into tan a minus b. A is 45 degrees, so we can write tan pi by 4 minus a. Uh, Here a is x, so we can write x. So tan pi by 4 minus x. Okay, got it? So this 1 minus tan a, 1 plus tan a, you can directly also remember always can be written as tan pi by 4 minus x. This will be used in many questions frequently, so you should remember it. Now we will convert this 1 minus tan a into 1 plus tan a can be written as tan 45 degree pi by 4 minus x. Now we got tan inside the bracket. So this tan and tan inverse will cancel. We get the answer pi by 4 minus x. Pi by 4 minus x. So like this we can solve it. Got it? Okay. So always our aim is to convert into tan inside. If tan is outside, we have to convert tan inside to find its value. But sometime we have to substitute some values. Here we have given x and under root a square minus x square. So obviously we have to substitute the value of x some so that it will convert into 10. So a square minus x square. So we will put x is equal to a sine theta, or a sine theta you will get directly tan theta. Otherwise, if you will put a cos theta, you will get cot theta, and by using 90 minus theta, then you can convert into tan theta. So put here x is equal to a sine theta. So generally, whenever you have a square minus x square, always substitute x is equal to a sine theta or a cos theta. Okay. If you have x square minus a square, then you have to substitute x is equal to a sec theta, because sec square theta minus 1 will be equal to tan square theta. And whenever it is plus x square plus a square or a square plus x square, so x is equal to a tan theta. You will substitute x is equal to a tan theta, or sometimes a cot theta. A tan theta, because tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cos sec square theta. Okay, so this is, you have to remember what will be the substitution whenever it is given x square minus a square, or a square minus x square, or x square plus a square. So now substitute, we get tan inverse x is equal to a sine theta divided by under root a square minus x square, means a square sine square theta. I will put square directly on both a and sine. So x square minus sine square theta. Now you can solve it. Tan inverse a sine theta divided by this a square, we can take out common a square. So we get 1 minus sine square theta inside the bracket. Okay. And now you can put the root on both the values. So we get tan inverse a sine theta divided by a. First you will write 1 minus sine square theta. You can write in the next step cos square theta, and then put the root. You will get cos theta, and a will cancel. Sine theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Tan inverse tan theta. Tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta, but answer is not theta. We have to find the answer in x and a. So from here we can find the value of theta. So sine theta is equal to x upon a. Sine theta will be x upon a, or theta will be equal to sine inverse x upon a. From here we can find the value of theta. Therefore answer is sine inverse x upon. So till question number 10 we have this type of question till question number 10. So one more question is there where we have to prove what the value of x. This question number 10. In this question, if you see, here we have cube also. So obviously it is showing that we have to substitute the value of a so that it becomes the formula for 10 cube because x cube is here. Here it is a cube minus 3ax square. So you have to substitute now x is equal to 10 a tan theta, not only tan theta because a will cancel. So a tan theta. Because this is the formula of tan 3 theta. So remember tan 3 theta it will become the formula for tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta minus tan cube theta. See, cube will come here. Tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3. 3 tan square theta. 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So when you substitute, it will become the formula for tan cube theta. So tan inverse 3a square into x. X is a tan theta. Minus x cube. X cube means a cube tan cube theta. Divided by a cube minus 3a x square. X square means a square tan square theta. Tan square theta. Now solve it. Get 3a square into a 3a cube tan theta. This a will multiply with this a, and here you have already a cube tan a cube a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube minus 3a square into a cube tan square theta. A cube tan square theta. Now take out common terms. In the numerator, common is tan theta and a cube. A cube tan theta we are not taking common because in formula also we can take, but here it is in the multiplication, so we will take only a cube common. So a cube common, then this will be 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta. It will become a formula, that's why. And similarly in the denominator also take out common only a cube, then it will become the formula 1 minus 3 tan square theta, and this a cube and a cube will cancel, and finally we get tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is the formula. This will become tan 3 theta. So we can write as tan 3 theta, and then 3 theta, and inverse and tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta, so it will become 3 theta, and theta you have to always from here write theta is equal to tan inverse x upon a. Tan inverse x upon a. So the answer is 3 times tan inverse x upon a. Here uh, again we have to solve inside the bracket to make it tan. So we have given 2 cos. Inside this again we have one more function. These are composite functions. Sine inverse 1 by 2. So double composite function it is. Sine inverse 1 by 2. Already it is given. Sine inverse 1 by 2 we know that sine, what is the value of pi by 6 30 degree? Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay. So we can say 60 degree 30 degree is equal to sine inverse 1 by 2. So one sine inverse 1 by 2 can be written as 60 degree directly. So we can write tan inverse 2 cos into 2, and sine inverse 1 by 2 is 5 by 6, and further solve it. This 2 can be cancelled because it is inside the bracket. 2 3 is a 6. So we get 2 into cos 5 by 3. So here we are directly getting the value. Okay. So tan inverse cos 2 cos 5 by 3. Substitute the value of cos 5 by 3. Cos 5 by 3 is 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel. We get tan inverse tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1, 45 degree pi by 4. Very simple question. It is based on one formula. If you remember, when we discussed the formula, we have seen one formula, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Three formulas like this we have seen is equal to 5 by 2. So here tan inverse x plus tan cot inverse x is equal to 5 by 2. So directly we can substitute in this formula. Directly we can put the value of tan inverse a plus cot inverse x. This x can be any number, but it should be same. If it is written here x, it should be x. If it is different, we cannot apply this formula. Okay. So what we will write, cot, one line question, tan inverse a plus cot inverse a, tan inverse a plus cot inverse a is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 90 degree. And cot 90 degree is in 0. Tan 90 degree is infinity, so cot 90 will be 0. This is the answer. So it's very simple question.